Hey everyone, it's Chris over at Springs Law Group, wanting to chat with you all today and give you guys kind of a day in the life of Springs Law Group. Not just one employee in particular, but kind of the firm as an overview. So it's Tuesday. We get everybody that comes back from a day off or a holiday day, and then one of the first things that we do when everybody gets in is we're going to sit down with them and have a team meeting, and we go over a positive or something positive that's happened, because we want to start our day off right, and on a good note. And then after that, we just kind of go through the calendar to see what we got going on, and then we'll do some issues, see if anybody's got any issues, because we want a place too where the staff is going to feel comfortable talking about any issues that we have, and that they can bring issues to the forefront to us right away so that we can take care of those things if we need to. And then after that, we'll do shout outs so that we can celebrate each other. So if we had somebody that kind of helped out or stepped up in a certain way, that we can do that. And then we'll also review any of our quarterly goals as well, and kind of go through those with the staff and team so that they know where we're at and they got ownership with those pieces. And then everybody kind of gets going on the day. So for example, today we had two of our attorneys in a mediation that was scheduled for most of the day today. So it was a car accident mediation that they were doing. Myself, I was in and out of calls for both, social media, trying to take care of some Google items and, looking at rankings, things like that. And then as well too, working on, some new advertising that we're going to be working on soon. And then as well, we had myself and Gretchen, we had chats with a couple members of our staffs to kind of talk about roles and expectations. So it's just important that we're kind of constantly having that internal conversation and dialogue along with, and setting that bar of really good customer service and what our expectations are there. And also having a team and a culture that is out there to keep giving that good customer service. So it's not something that we just kind of talk about and then sweep it under the rug. We actually keep talking about it quite often to make sure that everybody's aware, of what their role is, but also that they can keep leveling up that customer service and those experiences and expectations. And then I also set up, the next Just Because interview, which is going to be Bill McAfee from Empire Titles for Thursday this week. Holly helped me set that up. Nikki worked on some litigation today and some prep for that as well, while Jeremy and Jake were both in the mediation as well. So we kind of have multiple things working at the same time, but it's each of those team members actually doing their job and doing it well that keeps the whole thing working and keeps that high customer service standard for our clients. And then what it is too, it's, going to lunch with the guys afterwards, after they had worked out that mediation, and talking about that case, what went well, what didn't go well, kind of their overall thoughts about it, things like that. And so, the day in the life is, it's a lot like anywhere, I would guess. But the one big thing for us is just constant communication, that we're just talking about not only, the cases themselves, but also us as people. We want to find out how people are doing over the weekends, how their families are and things like that. So we want to keep that piece constantly going as we're kind of working in each day, where we're not just going into our office, shutting our doors and just everybody having quiet. And so it's very important to us that we've created a team environment and atmosphere where everybody's going to feel comfortable and, and kind of really enjoy who they're working with and who they're, kind of with each day in and out, and that we've created an atmosphere of comfortableness. And then, from a legal standpoint too, it's constantly trying to hold ourselves to that really high standard. And so it's just really important that we do that too. So it's kind of just a day in the life at Springs Law Group, just working our best to help our clients out to get compensated for their injuries, but also creating a team culture so that not only our team feels it, but also then it exudes out, and then our clients feel it as well too. So I hope everybody's having a good Tuesday, and we will talk to y'all later. Bye.